Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this update we're going to dive back into a topic that we discussed back on August 26th. So back on August 26th we had a futures trading video called 2x on a momentum breakout. Now be sure to check that video out if you already haven't, or maybe check it out as a refresher, because we're going to follow up on that one. Now if you recall, this was natural gas and the setup that we had discussed back in here, all right? And then subsequently it broke out. And this is less about the setup, because in that video I discussed how we got in. Now we're going to talk about how we're managing the trade. How do you manage a winner? And this is where you're going to find, for a lot of traders, the most difficult decisions are going to come once the trade goes in the green. Now, that might sound like, oh gosh, Rog, green trade should be my biggest problem in life. But I find a lot of traders struggle to hang on to their winners. So let me explain. So the first day that we get something like this, and we hit an initial profit target, which we did, the first thing we want to do is scale out. And scaling out, this is a video that I did Friday. So, these free videos can very much be sort of references for a lot of the tactics and markets that tactics I'm using and markets I'm watching. This is a fluff-free zone, gang. Yes, I will mention upcoming specials and classes and things like that. But I'm also going to talk about things that we're doing right now and tactics you can put to work right away. So what's happening right now in the Sector Secrets Mastery is we just hit a second target and we moved to a trailing stop. Now, I find for a lot of traders, here's a common error. The first target, T1, is way up in the stratosphere. And between getting in and paying ourselves getting out, that chasm is so large that we sit oftentimes with that type of tactic, a T1 off in the stratosphere, with an unrealized profit for too long. A lot of times traders will have a winning trade that just makes a U-turn and turns into a losing one. And the reason for that, or the reason that I've used this tactic to fix it, I'm going to share with you the tactic right now, is having a very reasonable first target, scaling out of 50%. And yes, you can scale out of as little as 30, say 33 a third, but I tend to favor 50%. So scale out and then move the stop to break even. Whatever you paid for the option, whatever price you enter the futures contract. This actually is the way you can prevent a winner from turning into a loser. And what you're going to have to then accept is risking unrealized profit. And this is where a lot of traders have a very difficult time. Markets have what's known as a daily price movement range, a DPMR. It's historical volatility. And if we do not respect sort of the historical movement that we're going to notice, that's the DPMR. If we don't know that, typically what will happen is we will smother the trade. Now, if I tend to do anything, I tend to give a trade way too much. I give way too much line, right? It's kind of give it all this line to do what it wants to do. But that has disproportionately benefited me, because that's really a trend following mindset. And if you believe that natural gas is going to head higher, you want to confirm that belief with your tools. And for me, that's things like the JT multi and the grab candles, and where are we in relation to the wave? Where are we in relation to the V-score, things like that. And when I look at natural gas right now, let's look at this V-score. It may not look like a lot, but we could get to the +3 standard deviation before we really start running into a more significant pullback. In fact, we can get above the +3 standard deviation, right? So we still have, I know it looks like just a little bit of space, but we still have some room to go compared to where the market was back in here and back in here. And by the way, this is one of the tools that's included in the workspace bundle, which has 2 sessions of live trading. That's what makes this particular offer so awesome. You get the indicators. It is the bundle special. But now you get to join me in the room, and I'll show you how I use it end of day and intraday. So here's another example of where the V-score is not necessarily helping me get in, like I showed you in the IYT video yesterday, this is how the V-score is going to help me take profit and get out. And I still believe we have more upside to go in natural gas. So what we've done is we've reeled it in to a trailing stop. We've paid ourselves twice already, and now we're going to put a safety net by way of that trailing below it, while also paying attention to that V-score reading of a +3. If there's going to be a proactive T3 waiting for us, it's going to be in line with that target. So for those of you that have been with us since last week of August with this trade that we talked about, we're still managing it. We take 50% of the trade off here. We take another 25%. That means I still have a quarter of my position still working for me. And I want to give it as much latitude as possible. Okay, so usually I'm going to be at a 50, 25, 25 type of scaling out, which means, I'm really looking at one target, second target, trailing stop, and then possibly a third. And that's how I really maximize what I do with a trend. So again, check out that video from August 26th, the 2X on a momentum breakout, to describe how we got in, the technique for this kind of pattern, which I love, which is a pullback that starts to consolidate. We saw, and I said, look, this is going to explode higher because of the compression. Here you have that expansion. And if you want to use the tools that are on this screen, check out the bundle over at simplertrading.com/Raghee workspace bundle and join me for those 2 days of live trading. Looking forward to seeing you then. And thanks as always for all the questions and comments. And if you have any, leave them below. Smash a thumbs up, smash a thumbs down. Let me know why you liked the video. Heck, let me know why you didn't. All right. We'll continue to try to bring you the best we can to help you make better trading decisions. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.